Let me start back. So we are going to learn about set concept today. So in the last session, we have seen about list. Let us start the set concept. So what is a set? Set is a collection of similar elements. Set is a collection of similar elements where the size of the set can grow or reduce. Size of the set can grow or reduce dynamically based on runtime requirement. Based on runtime requirement. Then we have in the set, insertion order is not preserved. Insertion order is not preserved. Set will not accept duplicate values. Duplicate values are not accepted. I am repeating the point. Set is a collection of similar elements where the size of the set can grow or reduce dynamically based on runtime requirement. Insertion order of the set is not preserved. Duplicate values are not accepted in the set. We are going with the syntax. Syntax of the set would be given in the form of set of data type. The data type can be primitive, so it can be primitive data types, or S objects, or user defined Apex, or it may be a standard object also. So example, go with list of, it is a set of integer, set of strings, set of account. This is how we are creating a set. When you create this set, no memory is allocated to this. So how do you initialize the set? So if you want to initialize, list going with set of integer age is equal to new set of decimal equal to new set of account to new set of account. Like this we have. Now static declaration of values. If you want to declare the values statically in the set, how do you declare? So in the set we declare in the form of new set of we have set of decimal salaries equal to new set of, so we will set of string names equal to set of, um, this is how we declared values in the static values to a set. The same, if you want to dynamically allocate the values, a set. If you want to allocate the values dynamically for a set, then we go with predefined methods in the set. So let me give an example. If you want to dynamically allocate the values, we use this format. Set of is equal to new set of, so how do you add the values here? Is dot add this is how we declare. Now let me quickly show you what is the difference you are finding between list and a set. What is the difference you are finding between list and a set? Let me go to the debug log. I'm going with the list of tj is equal to, where I'm inserting the values, it is dot add 90, going with is dot add 20, add 60, is dot add 10, dot add. So this is the list what I created. This is the list what I created with the 90, 20, 60, 10, 10. I was trying to display this value. System dot debug. The same I am trying to create using set. Same I was trying to create set. In case if you create the same using set, in case if you try to create the same using a set, so instead of list, I was taking set. First, let me execute this. Let me execute this. Let me see the execution of this. When you are executing the list part, see the values what we got: 90, 20, 60, 10, 10. So the order in which I inserted, the same order we got the values. Then duplicate values are accepted. 10 and 10 duplicate values are also accepted. But when you go to the next one, I was trying to execute this one, the set part. When you are trying to execute the set part, the same elements I have inserted, only instead of list I made it as set. In place of list, I made it as set. Execute the allocation. when you execute the highlighted. So what is the value that we got here? 10, 20, 16, 80. Is it the same order in which I have inserted? The order of my insertion is not followed here. I have inserted 90, 20, 60, 10. But the values here are 10, 20, 60, 90. So the order of insertion is not preserved in the set. The next, I have inserted 10 twice. But whereas here we are only getting 10 once. That means duplicate values are also not accepted in the set. That is the reason why we got 10, 20, 60, 90. Apart from these two properties, rest all the properties are same. As the insertion order is not preserved, we cannot refer to the elements in the set using index. So we will not be referring to the elements in the set using index. Right. So this is what we started. So let me start explaining you about methods what we have in the set. Almost all the methods are similar to list.
Satish, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you please explain with the scenario-based example?
Let me complete the methods, then we get on to the scenarios. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So first one we have add. We have add. So when you are going with the add, we are going with add. This method is used to insert new element in the set. This method is used to insert new element in the set. Let us say set of integer age is equal to new set of integer. Give age dot add 10 age dot 20 age dot add 30 add 30. So here it is going to give me the elements of 10, 20. We cannot say this will be the final order. We are assuming that this is the order. I am assuming that this is the order. If we give a duplicate element, it will not throw error. It will simply make only one entry. Then we have add all. This method is used to insert list of elements or set of elements into the set. Let me take an example here. Set of integer age is equal to new set of we have add 10 is dot add. This is my set. I am trying to create one more set here. 1 equal to new set of integer 10 30. What I am doing here? Ages dot add all. When I say ages dot add all 1, if I give a system dot debug, then we are going to get values of 10, 20, 30. As 10 is already existing, only one copy is taken. Suppose if I have list of integer I have created a list here. I have created 10, 20, 50, 60. So I told ages dot add all. It gives me 10, 20, 30. So this is how we create. Third one, we have a method called contains. What this method is going to do, this method will check whether given element is in the list or in the set. If it is available, then I'm giving a set of here age is equal to new set of. So here I'm giving boolean b equal to ages dot contains. So as the 20 is available in the set, when I say system.debug, you're going to get true. Similarly, we have contains all list or set. It checks whether the given list or a set is available on the set on which we are calling. What happens in this case? I'm taking, let us say, set of is equal to new set of. And I'm going to give list of just 1 equal to new list of comma. So all the elements in the one, I say boolean equal to ages dot contains all. So all the elements in the set, all the elements in the list 1 are available in the set called ages. It is going to give you, if all the elements in the list 1, all the elements in the list 1, if they are available in the given set, it is going to return you true. Then we have remove this is used from the set. In this case, if you want to remove, you can take set of and give just 10, 20. We are taking here ages dot remove 30. So this is going to delete the elements from the set. In the list, if you want to delete, how did you delete? We have given index value. If you want to remove the element from the list, we used to give the index value. From the set, if you want to delete, straight away we will pass the element which you want to delete. In the list, if you want to delete, we will use index value. In the set, if you want to delete, we will straight away pass element. We have here remove all. method is used, delete list of. Here I am passing it set of integer is equal to. So what I want to do, I want to take one more set of integer once equal to set of. What I'm going to do is dot remove all. So all the elements which are in the set 1, all the elements which are in set 1, they are going to be deleted here. So what is left out now? Only 30 is left out. So apart from this, we have some standard functions, standard methods here. Standard methods like is empty. So what is the purpose of this is empty? This will return true when set is empty. So if I give is dot is similarly we have clear. What is the use of clear? What is the use of this method? This will remove all the elements from the set. This will remove all the elements from the set. Set of integers is equal to dot. Let's say is not clear, nothing is in the set. So last one here, we are going with size. So what is size?
Satish, what is the difference between remove and clear?
Remove means only the particular elements are removed. When you say clear, all the elements are clear. I told age is not clear, everything is cleared. If I use remove, only these elements are removed. When you want to remove specific elements, I will use remove method. When you want to remove entire elements from the set, then we use clear. Fine.
Okay.
This method will return number of elements in the set. This method will return number of elements in the set. So let us take here set of integer is equal to set of. So if you get, if I use integer is count equal to is dot size, it is going to return 3. So these are the methods what we have on the set. This is how we are going to use. So we are going to understand the methods of the set here. Add, how to add a new element, adding a group of elements, then checking out whether the given element is in the set or not, checking out whether the set of elements are in the set or not, removing element, removing a group of element, verifying the emptiness, clear, size. So these are the methods what we have in the set. Now Let us see where we use this list, where we use this set. Let us take quick examples on this. First, if I want to create a record for an account object, let me go with this. If I want to create a class called student, I want to create a student class with name and age. I want to create a class called student with name and age. What I'm doing here? Public class. Once you create this class, name, public, region, age. I have created a class called student. So I am creating a class. If you create a class without methods, if a class contain only data members, no methods, then we call this class as proper class. Then we call this class as proper class. So let me create quickly the student class in the console. Check out whether we already have a student class.